In hockey, the difference between winning or losing is measured in millimeters. With no major changes to SkateBlade technology in years, SwitchBlade will become the first major change hockey has seen.
I have been an on-ice official for over 10 years. During that time, you get to see a lot of hockey. A traditional skate blade tends to bend and flex with each stride. SwitchBlade has developed a whole new interchangeable blade system that keeps the blades straight and sharp.
When I found out about SwitchBlade, my first thought was, why hasn't anybody done this before? A double-sided skate blade is a game changer. You loosen the fastener, flip it around, tighten it up again, and you're ready to go. You're going to lose 30 seconds tops of ice time. This product is absolutely revolutionary.
It's like driving a sports car. It's more rigid and more responsive in and out of turns. Right away I noticed faster starts, tighter turns, and shorter stopping distance than any traditional skate. You have so much more power going to the blade and less blade deflection.
SwitchBlade, a better way to skate.